Most people read the flood as one thing only. You have water everywhere, destruction, and Noah and his family survive. And that's true, but it's still a shallow reading because through the temple layer, the ark isn't just a survival boat. It's a consecrated structure inside of judgment waters. It's temple logic in the middle of wrath. And that matters because the temple pattern is about sacred space, about measured space, bounded space. It's a place where Yahuwah preserves what belongs to him while judgment operates outside. And that's exactly what the ark's doing. Just look at the details. The ark isn't described like an ordinary raft. It has specified measurements. It's built according to Yahuwah's instruction. It has one entrance, ordered levels, it's bounded, and it's not just some random shelter. It's designed as a sacred preservation. That should already sound familiar because that's exactly how temple structures work. Yahuwah defines the dimensions, the access, what enters, what remains inside while the world outside is under judgment. And that's not just some random engineering. And the three deck structure matters too. It reflects the same tripartite logic that you later see in sacred space patterns. You have the outer zone, inner zone, and the holy center. So the point isn't that the ark is identical to the later tabernacle in every detail. The point is that it runs on the same spatial grammar. You have ordered space, restricted access, measured design, a preserved remnant, and judgment outside. That's literally the temple pattern. And once you see that, the flood itself changes. Now the story isn't just Noah built a big box because water was coming. Now it becomes Yahuwah preserved a covenant remnant inside a consecrated structure while judgment passed over the violated world outside. That's much heavier because the ark isn't just transportation, it's sacred containment. The remnant isn't floating in chaos, the remnant is being held inside of ordered space. And that means the flood isn't just destructive, it's priestly in shape. Yahuwah is preserving life in a bounded holy structure while the unclean world outside is being judged. That's the same logic later seen in the tabernacle. A measured holy zone in the middle of a dangerous world. And that should destroy the shallow readings. Because if the ark is a temple structure in judgment waters, then the flood isn't mainly about globe mechanics, it's about covenant space judgment and remnant preservation. A planetary catastrophe reading doesn't explain why the remnant is preserved in a structure that carries sacred space logic. A covenant world judgment does, and that's the real force of this layer. Noah isn't just a lucky survivor, he's the preserved covenant remnant. The ark isn't just a boat, it's sacred space. The waters aren't just weather, they're judgment. And the whole event is saying something much larger. When covenant space is defiled, Yahuwah judges it. But he doesn't lose his line. He preserves a remnant inside bounded, consecrated space until the waters finish what they were sent to do. That's why the ark matters so much. It's the temple in the middle of wrath.